making a taco casserole. Here we have 2 pounds of beef. You want to aim for 80-20. We have heavy whipping cream, cheese, salsa, adobo, which is our seasoning, no salt, Mrs. Dash, olive oil, eggs, taco seasoning, and cream cheese. We're going to start by putting a little olive oil in the pot, and we're going to add in the meat so we can cook that. We're going to add in our garlic as much as you like. I don't like a lot of garlic, so I just put about half a tablespoon in there. We're going to add in our seasoning, again, as much as you'd like. Mrs. Dash is really, really great, especially if you're looking for low sodium. So I kind of mix it with other spices. We're going to drain our meat, put it back in the pot so that we can add the salsa. We're going to turn that to low. We're going to add in 5 ounces of cream cheese. Remember, this is for 2 pounds of meat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Mix all that together until it's well blended. And once you're finished blending everything together and mixing everything together, make sure you turn the stove off. You don't want it to continue to cook because we also have to put it in the oven. So we're going to put in 7 eggs. Always gotta crack all the eggs, honey. So that's 7 eggs. For 2 pounds of meat, we're going to add our cheese, half of it, not the whole thing. You can use any kind of cheese you want. We're going to add our seasoning. And then we're going to add the heavy cream, 2/3 cup. Also 4 tablespoons of salsa. And then mix. Combine all ingredients. And then mix. Once it's mixed nicely and evenly, then we can place it in the oven. We have the stove set at 350. Pour everything in there, top it with the additional cheese, spread it evenly. We're also going to top it with Parmesan cheese and a bit of Italian seasoning. Then we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Can you hurry up?
You really finna do me like that for my people?
Why are you going so slow? People trying to eat their food. Look how delicious it looks. Ooh, I'm so excited to taste it. All that cheesy goodness.